The Element, a Clarity Collection floor plan by HHHunt Homes. With up to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a garage, we're checking all of your new home boxes. First floor bedrooms for you, your family, and guests? Check! A beautiful dining area that flows perfectly into your living area and chef-inspired kitchen? Check! And don't forget this nook, perfect for that morning cup of coffee. Whether you need a study or the optional 3rd bedroom, you can check that off too. We know your checklist includes a beautiful owner's suite. We've got you covered with a spacious room flooded in natural light. And what's not to love about the private bath and large walk-in closet? For more information, visit HHHuntHomes.com. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.